Hello and welcome to Shri Academy online teaching classes. Today I am going to continue lesson 4, the prodigal son. About this lesson, I have already given you the word meanings of difficult words and the explanation of the lesson. Today I am going to continue the exercise of this lesson. So let's start with the exercise. In the exercise, first we will do number this sentence in the correct order. It means that some questions are given to you, that means lines are given to you, and you have to number them or arrange them according to the story of the lesson. As you can see, the first one is done for you. The first number one is a rich farmer has two sons. The second is he gave half of his money to his younger son. Next is third, the younger son said goodbye to his father and brother. Fourth is in a foreign country he spent his gold on clothes and present. Fifth is he organized a feast to celebrate his son's return. Next is spending so freely his gold was soon gone. Seventh is unhappy he tried to earn money to buy food. Eighth is one day he thought of his father who loved him. Ninth, the youngest man set off for home. And the 10th one is the father was overjoyed to see his son. By numbering them 1 to 10, we have in short, we have told the whole story of the lesson. In your book, the next exercise is answer this question. The first question is, what did the younger son ask his father to give him? Why? The answer is, the younger son asked half the money of his father so that he can go to another place and have a good time. I speak once again, the younger son asked half the money of his father so that he can go to another place and have a good time. The second question is, how did the father respond and why? The answer is, the father loved his son and he did not want to see them unhappy. Therefore, he counted his money and gave half of it to his younger son. Once again, I repeat, father loved his sons and he did not want to see them unhappy. Therefore, he counted his money and gave half of it to his younger son. The next question is, what did the younger son do with all his riches? The answer is, the younger son spent some of his gold on a large and splendid house and on clothes and present for his new friends. Again I speak, the younger son spent some of his gold on a large and splendid house and on clothes and present for his new friends. Now the next question is, what did the father do when his son returned? Answer is, father hold a feast to celebrate the return of his son. Once again I repeat the answer, father hold a feast to celebrate the return of his son. Now the next question is, why did the elder son get angry with his father after his brother came home? The answer is, the elder son got angry because his father never invited his friend for the meal as he always worked faithfully. I repeat the answer, the elder son got angry because his father never invited his friend for the meal as he always worked faithfully. The next question is, why did the elder son change his mind? The answer is, the elder son changed his mind because he understood the wisdom of his father's word. And once again I repeat the answer, the elder son changed his mind because he understood the wisdom of his father's word. The next exercise is, a person who works on a farm is a farmer. What are this person known as? The first one is a person who play music. A person who play music is called musician. Next is a person who act in plays. The person who act in plays is known as actor. The next is the person who stitches clothes. So person who stitches clothes is known as tailor. The next is the person who design houses. A person who design houses is known as architect. Next is a person who repairs cars. A person who repairs cars is known as auto mechanic. The next question is the person who writes for the newspaper. Person who writes for a newspaper is known as journalist or reporter. The next exercise is take the correct pronoun. It means two options are given you in the bracket and you have to tick the correct option. The first question is the book belongs to me. It is option are my or mine. The answer is mine. This book belongs to me. It is mine. Next one is Rizwan made this model. The hard work was all. The options are him or his. The answer is his. Rizwan made this model. The hard work was all his. Next question is Ela and Rustam live here. His house is the option are hers or theirs. The answer is theirs. The Ela and Rustam live here. This house is theirs. The next question is the little white kitten belongs to Mary. It is option are her or hers. The answer is hers. The little white kitten belongs to Mary. It is hers. The next question is my brother and I bought this toy. It is option are us or ours. The answer is ours. My brother and I bought this toy. It is ours. The next exercise is replace the underlined words with words from the box. Use them to fill in the blanks. It means that some words are given in the box and in the questions some underlined words are given to you. You have to replace the underlined words with the suitable word from the box. So the first question is this is the farmer's horse. The horse is dash. The underlined word is the farmer's horse. It can be replaced with the his. It is already given in the books. Now the next question is this is my dog. Yeah, the underlined word is my dog. The dog is the answer will be mine. We can replace my dog with mine. The next question is these are Farah and Sudeep's bag. The bags are dash. The underlined words are Farah and Sudeep's bag. We can replace this word with theirs. We can write these are Farah's and Sudeep's bag. These bags are theirs. Next question is this is our room. The room is the dash. So our room, in the place of our room we can write ours. This is our room. The room is ours. Now next question is this your pen? Is this pen dash? The underlined word is your pen. We can replace this word with yours. We can write that is this your pen? Is this pen yours? Now the next question is that is Helen's bicycle. That bicycle is dash. In the underlined word is Helen's bicycle. We can replace this word with hers. That is Helen's bicycle. That bicycle is hers. Okay student, thank you for today's class. Now this is your homework. You have to write and learn all the exercises which I have taught you about this lesson in your copy in beautiful writing.